Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilyn's World. On this video, I'm going to clean up a Ninja blender. Baking soda paste is an excellent cleaner and stain remover, so we're going to use these to clean up our Ninja blender today. First, we're going to clean up the inside of the blender, and then we're going to apply the paste on the surfaces outside the blender to remove the stains. Let's scrub some baking soda paste inside the blender. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and click the thumbs up button. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you on the next video. Have a great day.